Hi guys, good evening everyone. Good evening guys. It's your girl Aviator Show is on the building. You are welcome to this YouTube program. I welcome you all. I welcome you all for coming, guys. Support this YouTube channel. Support me. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please turn on the notification bell. As you do that, Almighty God will bless you. Please support your girl. Support your sister. Okay. AKA, it dey your body, it dey my body. Okay. All my subscribers, I thank you guys for supporting me. You will never subscribe, please go and do that for your girl. Please show me love. Show me love, okay? Show me love. Your sister is on the building. Aviator Show is on the building. Yeah, let's go down to today's topic. So, today's topic, I want to talk about the single father. The single fathers where they abandon all the men in the house. What did they play? All the single father, what did they play? If it all show one can hasuna, what did they stop? Why they like this? Why they happen like this? You know they marry, no be problem. No be the one that they go court for. I know one marry my baby mama. No be problem. But abandon child where you abandon for one. Now you hold una two together. No be say you not marry. Now you hold una. You not marry the baby mama. No be problem. But you supposed to take off your baby. Be a baby boy. Be a baby girl. You cannot just leave the woman with the child and go selfish. Your year they go. Like seriously, say any woman will care. You tell them say I never born, whereas you don't born. No. Enough is enough. Please, guys, be a responsible father. Be a good father to your nation. Be a good father to your children. And you never finish for them. See, now say go they go. Grandchildren. Be a good father to your grandchildren in the future. Okay? Don't just sit there. They wait me woman trade pikin. If you grow, it will come find you. No. They don't do things like that. Now back, now you they go, I've been in front, you they go. Which woman want to trade pikin finish? You go come thank you as you way. Abandon the children. You go come say thank you. Say yes, I don't trade them. See the pikin. You not there. You not there, my brother. Please. When you are leaving the ladies, you don't want to play. No problem. Please, every month, they support your children. They support your children. Now beg, let me come beg una. Una will be single father. As they see single mother, now so they see single father. You don't leave your children for only the woman. And not be us country that they see children benefits. As Italy be, no children benefits. Okay? You leave your, okay, now Italy, nah, the gbege for happen. Your baby mama born finish. Even the baby never even born. Where you don't cower, where you don't run. What do you run for? Everybody know. Now only the top, the low people. As in, I don't feel corner and low. I'm sorry for using that word. The men, where the lazy men. Now let me just put it like that. I'm sorry. The lazy men, not all men. Now they abandon. Not be all men they abandon children. But most, out of 100 men, the one way they abandon children, now be 70. Now 30, now they take care of their children. Now they really stand as a father. 70, all of them dey outside, they like they go for street, they tell another woman say na born you born, but na born you born, you no wan marry the woman, but you know they take care of your children. Even the woman who now will go meet, he go see carry una enter house, he go see welcome una, embrace una, because he wan come dey born now to say he don't balance, he don't bath, maybe in the work, he see and say he no manage your money, may they hold the children, may see they go the work, because now they take care of the children. You not get the one where you did. The one where you did now just the help to the take care of the children for us. You know, whoever care say, you really tell me say you don't born before. They call your son, or they call your daughter. All these ladies, son, they know they has all those men. Man, wait, tell you say you don't fair born. One day, no yours day, may you see her son, my husband, or my name, honey, or meat pie. Now you call the corner. You not come outside and say, well, you don't hear of your baby. Na Nigeria is there, or na America is there, or na London is there. You dey hear of your baby, so you dey see they give her money. I beg they give her only mother not go fix. No, I mean no man okay. Everybody know you. You understand? Everybody know you. By the time when they do these things, by the time all those men, this is the men. So this is that man now. The memory not reform, it not reset. So you as a woman, you see reset in memory. See tell and say, call your children. They call your children. You as the woman not there. Of course I know that one, but now your children are important. Waiting hold una together. Now that your blood. Now hold una together. Anything not can hold una. You not say you dey punish the woman. No, you no marry, you no want eat the soup, you no want eat the pandenya. Another man dey wey he qualified to eat the pandenya, wey he qualified to eat the pepper soup. Okay, you know me say you now you no come finish what you start. Another man no go start again. No, woman, even though woman born 2 children, born 3 children, man go see day, we go see carry on. If he compose himself well, if he not go useless himself, if he position himself, and if he carry himself well, man go see cherish am well. Now you will be man where if he say he don't bought children for you, no man go carry am, no man go carry am. Lie you lie. People they born 5 children, young men go see carry them. Don't say who born 2 children, no man no go carry. You just dey lie. You want see am. As you want to do, you want see him. You don't want put her for that suffer. You don't want take responsibility. You don't want stand as a father to your children. But what you call the pepper me for body? They'll call the give character. Woman where you born first baby, born second baby. You can see they cry saying that because of character where you not get, and I make you live on. Okay, let's be sincere. My brother, na character you dey complain for. You patient for first, you patient for second. If I be woman, you want come for me. You want come they tell me about the woman not get character. Just talk another thing. Me I hear. Because where one picky come out, 2 picky come out. Even though na guess or na boy and girl. That woman will born that boy and girl for you. When you come they tell another woman say that woman not get character. Now because of character, we not get, make you not fit, waiting yahoo, blah blah blah. If that woman even decide say you no go another husband house, if he decide say no go, he no go because he don't born boy, he don't born girl. But you as a woman now, we can't dey lie that kind lie too. You see, I've said this lie, you believe on. It is saying a lie. Remember, say waiting happen for first. If you not take time, if you not carry yourself well, believe say go see happen to you. Now they make this problem. No one gree finish for grand. But people not go want to understand where they go. So, if I did that shoe, after 2 children, you come meet me. Maybe me, I get 1. You get 2, you come meet me. It's a mistake. Now the woman take give it 2. No be mistake. Now, wait, something pursue you because you don't want to stand as a man. You no want be a father to that children. You no want cater for your children. You define already mate. You no fit can give character. Nothing way if love dey, if you love that woman, you fit even change the character where you talk about. Egbega you go one, what do amune character? Wa riao you there ne? Wa amune character? Why? Let's say you really go say character. Marrieti be or fine. But as you go, man where you be, quality man where you call yourself for her side, you're not supposed to take care of that children. You're not supposed to take their responsibility as a father. You're not supposed to cater for all those children. But yo, I'm your girl when I wear. Then this very woman where you go meet now, you tell her say na character. The woman no one look round where. You want to enter. If you see enter, wait till happen to that one go see happen. By the time you see born one, maybe you no go see her take born two. Maybe now one you go come born. You go see give character. Only where you no go give character, where the money they come, so no be oh. When the money they come, the house, everything they jubilate, good thing they come, gift they flow all around. If you not give character, even if the character not even correct, it go be around because the something is there where they make and they bear. Because I believe say if love dey, you feel bear for your wife. If love dey, your wife feel bear for you. You come on, not be the problem, but fine. Even na ya mo ya so. Understand? U feel bother when you're a benena. U go ve ba o to bother when. Omo no po pikin wey dey between una. They see 50 euro. You know what they give am. Especially Italy where they not the help, or Spain or another country where they not the help, like Greece, all those areas. You can't leave that woman for that kind of suffer. And you want me to take cope. You see why Batty not go to finish. You see why those kind Salimakina. You see why not go to finish. Eh? And you want me to take care of the children, especially the woman who is not strong. Eh? Then make me they tell ladies, they tell the ladies, Mona they strong. If you strong, if you be hardworking, even though you know they work for Fabrica, you see they do shoro or if they sell, they do business, you go feel cope. But if you know they do anything, you not strong, shoro you not feel do. You see and say you can't go another side, you can't they go Salimakina side. You know see, so now their problem for the con. Be a hardworking person. It doesn't mean say you must go Fabrica or anything where you know say you feel do business where you know say you feel do you do, because all those men they buy the do one for my opinion. Because you tired of that woman, you see tired of your blood, you come out real man. I too love some men. Inya ga pase wo bi ayi eh beni bia ni gallant bia no hurry ba be kwore beni ya we all those men na God will bless them. Anything where they put hand, it only they go well for them. And you see, listen, you will be single father where they abandon your children, where they feel say you there on top of the world. 50 years is not forever. Very soon you go near 50, 60, you will come and see the pepper where they inside. Gallant men, the way they say they do, you know, I not marry you again, not be quarrel. Let's be friends because of our children. Every month I go to support you for waiting and kids. Some men where you abandon their children, where their children they belay, their children don't day 60 years, some their children don't day 5 years, so their children don't day 9 years. They don't want care. Tomorrow you feel say now bad you do that your baby mama bad. Now not being you do bad though. Now your baby now you they punish. Now yourself now you they punish. There is never that your baby. You not get the time where you want to me piache you. You not get the time where you want to get that love for you. She don't be children whether they born for Euro side. Eh? If mama will take care of herself, you guys in one day, if you not like I go tell mama, see mama park where to say you will not see for madam. You come one day, I'm your father. Because who your boy, you know my brother. Akasu weni was here called out. We bon mo ya ve fa na se. Mo no magba o ni na akaso we. Yen dere. Dere. We e won era we ru won money. Eri ogeleje degbenu we tu e. Egbe la loke gbe hin abi degbenu hin. Degbenu we kere ho. No na waka se wo hin we no mo anado gwa lo we. Oma easy my brother. Egbo no ho ni laya kokomo. Uma dewo dukun uma bon we. Uma ke for stories ide ana emi we wishe uwure aga na yakian agi push we kian uwure akaza de reposare you know there akaza de reposare unwo beva no ya anwina no ya gba wo wiwe the day of your children birthday you don't even know na you go sign son na the sign for the day where they born the children na the sign son they know your sign then na why atamiya we yan bi ani ira iwa mi yan se eso e ho yan ho we yen mweko no ho but yen ma ho money ba o it's not that nice. I'm here to tell you tonight o iyo nu fi ko we here nu make na am orierin agbon nu make na am uto ma gbon nu make na am owowo be any okwo nu wu yagudia benu mana gba owo mo ka o eru egbon soro ihu ni iya le runu wa o ma gba owo ime o me boya gba owo ma re you see eru ni ose ebo ti enu eru nanu afas we esage we ogu e we ma gba ore first blood we second blood we my training. You not take care of your first blood. Now second blood, now you want to go the train. No. You see, huh? The day of your daughter's birthday or the day of your son's birthday, they see wishes. You not come out for your mouth. You don't even call. Even the money. Pants, shirt where your children they wear, you don't know the size now. Pants where your daughter they wear or boxers where your son they wear, you don't know. Wishes where parents they wish their children for their birthday, you know they come out for your mouth. Or maybe you can't carry your son or your daughter, me take go play for guiding, you know they for you. Jena brother. Your mama up bonwe. Ijwa bonwe. Ave tuan bonwe. Ave tuan support you. I will say that support you. Iye hian go when we are not going, or ga seti. Iye o hian mi ya. We mi mo no bo ma yezo no so majiko. Hello. No matter. Mami mo ya jiko. You don't need to abandon your child. Uwuri o ni fine, take care of your child. And let me dey talk gallant man dey. All men no be the same. They see half man. Any man when not they take off their children, they be half men. They be bedan select. They never reach to born. I'm not supposed to support the money in here. Ave maro no ni domo abo mego. Abo vi gwe ya fero no ni domo. Salo supposed to no ri name ani ne. Okay, ari name ane no gyomo agbon. Ne ma the money exist. You understand? Salo boa e gana no salo boata because when Rana no abandon you when you don't deserve. Man deserve it. Or more aragbon, man don't exist. But you just go meet woman. The woman where you can gather day. You go see they play love with you. You go see they all be allow way. It be social. They need to reformat to na brain. They need to reformat to na brain. Do where do where high. Eke no maguwe we honi maguwe ya dia e maguwe ya dia but of you we una we do wa be no mwere no mwere ya enu we va nu we amo budre we no money ije bi àwọn bote no re no money by the time o si ave mo awe mo eme o ma ri e avase ra be dopa avase je pa wa be o mi 24 hours ije emi ra va son un brother de tu we de ye gbe Libya una legbe Libya we wa I gui when no money one day where is my daddy erate adie we bo ihama we konina we gbava I get your belle where I know will get your belle 2 times me and your father they cross they come now your father fall for river he enemy he follow there your pikin you know say where you real life now you not dey this life again no be when you not die e ma no te gba oro mo na ohian na de yeze when no ma when emejo bonoje when na mi oge na kwerwe when na la webo that river or na flight you follow he no fear you the confess when you come they confess on top of that river God if I fit cross this river I go change my way I go change for bad to good all those confess when you come they confess for top of that river or for no know where you follow come. So no one you take serious. No one you take serious, my brother. Now fronto odao agbori. Ave mo ya fe nu wa abandoni. E de agari ede. Iyan po ma. Mami nu we fi we nu we nu we yari eni nu we fi we e money o mo. Osalo bo an yin no ya igbina re. And you will be man. Where you go fair give woman belle. This woman no good. Okay, we here. You not take off the baby, fine. You still go give another woman belle. You still go give another woman belle. The same thing. You not still take care of the pikin. Who can be the mumu? You see and say the world need to know say you are a lazy man, Obewe. You don't want to work for yourself. You don't want to work for your children. But you want somebody else to take care of your children for you. Obama buwe, umade ye zoriomo, umade ye zokwae. Umade ye ezoriomo. Uwe no nere, no biave do aketa no you we. Omo nu we bien we ya dam you we ya bien. No biave agba ore nu we. Mami ufa wa o. We have yaru webu. If you see the public, my brother, you see the wear that, you see the dress, they tell your friends. I was when the ba mo abi agun. Me when they take off children they talk. You say half man, Obewe man, bedan select man. You go see the talk. Say I born, born. You see the talk. Una not dey the same category. Una not dey the same shoe. Anywhere man where they take off your children, they talk. You where say you born you born through way where say you born. You don't need to talk. If they want to talk about their children, you need to move. If not, when you done, asa no salobo ya fiwe mi. No matter anything where that woman do, no be your children, no be una children na want use and take punish. Even if the woman you cash anything able, even if the woman na mush na they draw you, they come down. No be the one you want to affect your son, affect your daughter. I don't know African mentality. Some people for his side, not be all Africa. Some people sha, Salo boy ge erefe bode kon jiri megbe. Salo boy ge erefe bode kon jiri megbe. Oni eru nana. Iye iwe nene mi niyan we bode. E bode. O me de no bi we bede. Excuse me. Obi we ke do one. Obi we me we bate 5-0. Eme we bata. Eme we anything. Then we are gone. We are talo. You know anything where they pull hand. If you know see who tell you. I need to tell you, anything where they pull hand, they go well because with the lack of something. you father a child to the you father child now. You can you say innocent child come this life, you know they take off. And the head of the child they worry you. If they cry, the father not find out. He no see his father. He no know his father. If his father don't die, me just know. But you dey alive. You dey breathe. Wari vasap soup ni kwa ile nwe. Ni ne vasap soup ni egwale. Ni egwale o ne so gwale. Okwo ni agbe fi kwa yo tore nu e. Umiamia egbonula be ko ka o. Una miami first CD we. First CD we no we have believe we why it father a child. Una miamia abi juwa ya bobo yuwa. Ave ti wa bobo yuwa e. And ave ti wa ni ya juwa ke. Una brothers, as you abandon your children, even una brother go say abandon the children. They not even they want the year. They don't want even the year of the children. They don't want even they want no how the children they find how the children they do. Now so now those children will take they not go know themselves. They will say cousin. They go marry themselves because they don't know themselves for small pikin. More than they do something well. Anything way you do to your fellow person, believe me, go return back to you. Even if you not return back to you now, if you sure you go see him. You go see him. Una brothers. So people go talk say, I give some money to Sunday, I give money to Tuesday, I give money to Wednesday. I don't know where Wednesday. I don't know whether they give that name. I don't even whether they call people Tuesday. So people will still go they tell their brother say that they send money to the women, that they send money to the children. Whereas they not the same money. My brother, may I advise you. You wait they lie. God they see you. You they lie to your brothers and sisters, say you they give your children money. When you not they give. You know say court. Now go see everything. The receipt. Now Europe with they. This will not be Africa where they don't know anything. Oh. This one are Europe. Poster they exist. Any bank command, any bank, anything. The date where you take post money. If now Western Union, the date. As suppose you go receive one. Everything the date today. Because of if not because you don't know. Tomorrow when Africa go court. You they take lawyer and they bring money, whereas you know they bring money. If the same way you bring the proof, where how you want to because there's the one see I they send the money, in non day. What is your problem? Now you know the same money, now you know they call, now you see they lie. Only God now go help you. Only God now go help all those men where they do this thing. Una friend go they support una. Even though na friend see as una self, some good friend go see as una say, take care of your friend. You will say, I beg, your day your late. From today go, I beg. You don't join them where they gossip me, I beg. Because say the truth, only truth that can set you free. If you don't want to be your friend, let it go to hell and burn to ashes. You don't care. Only God don't say you tell her the facts and the truth, but nothing but the truth. How? What me and you walk? What me and you walk? But I'm now where that visual. Why I go behind it? Because who reason? Because who young when you not supposed to know young why I go money why I go money good why I go money good now woman I said you where who will not say where you were. God is washing. You not send money, but he would like to send money. Please, I use this opportunity to tell the single father, abandon people, abandon children and they abandon all over the countries. Later, 100 years not forever. You go meet them for front. By the time you will get picky for Jenny, get picky for you, get picky for you, get picky for you. No one stay with you, no one you take off. The time where you go take happen, where you go take set, no one go there for you. No be picky where they take off. Now you go call, now you go say Baba or Daddy, as my father, I go send money for you. Picky where you not take off, now go send money for you. Be one. Be one. Because when I feel say na Europe, nothing they happen. Even if na Africa, nothing like, even though na 1 naira, there is nothing they support your children. you go benefit am for front. That money wey you bring, that time wey the mama dey tell am say na your father bring this money, you go get joy. Some pain you go release for that pikin mind, and that space where joy enter, things go good for you. You understand? Because children, their head na uko, unwi bieka na uko, ibieka msobosi na wi yanko, gba wo viwe, egere gba wo monu This is the advice when I can't give. Time to time, I go dey give una different advice for the low bedam select wey they abandon their children. All the gallant daddy wey know their children birthday, where they take off their children, even if na 50 euro, even if na 100 euro. You are a man, it's not easy. Bedam select, they full everywhere. Now that they rake pass, now that they make noise pass. You not marry the woman. They not they go court put. You are not the only. You are not only the. You not be only you be man. Wait, this world. Maybe you are not made to. You people are not made to be together. But a person that don't bring innocent child come this world, una go support the child. Make this child not get that mentality. May not get that pain. Okay, especially women, children, as the little girls, pikin way, the mama dey, papa dey, not too good for all those kind of girls, children. It's not too good for them. Tomorrow now, if they not come guys, they take they do things. They're gonna tell say like mother, like daughter. They're gonna tell say like mother, like daughter. That word, me, I dey forbid them. Anybody, because pikin wey father not the one they advise only your mother, and maybe now let that pikin mother get the mother will not want they beat am for many things, you know, want they torture am for many things. Also say now only you one. Tomorrow come now, you not there they make you advise am, you not get your advice one day, you come they talk say na your mother spoil am, like mother like daughter. E character usual yamu we ni jo wa veje ri we wa veje madere we ugunu we also we brother, because daga we awo tun we ya re o, because this world e dey rotate na make move not dey stay one place. Another day move fit dey there. You like you hear, you not like you no hear. I don't give you this message. Go and think about it and feel how we here and take care of your children. 15 naira na money, 100 naira na money, 50 euro na money. They buy gift for your children so that the children they go get love, they go get happiness, they go get you for their minds. You know, when you come meet your children, when your children don't dey 16 years, you come out for nowhere say na you be papa. Go reformat your brain. So from now, please guys, if you come across this video, give me a nice comment. What do you think about these people? All those bedam select, all those bedam low men where they abandon their children. What do you think about them? Drop on for the comments below. Please drop on nice comment and no insult from any man. Don't insult them, but tell them what the class where they belong. You tell them, okay? So now, so more they run together. Please support this YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube, Iveto Show TV. Please support your girl. I go they give you now for here. Wanna no worry. I go they give you now. Wanna support me. I just they come. Wanna no worry. I go be that person. I go be your choice very soon. Okay? Not small. But here I know the pepper. I know the insult. See all the things when I talk on my platform. I know the insult. I know the insult woman. Please. Okay? Thank you for your time. Thank you. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, all my brothers and sisters. I love you guys. I wish you whatsoever you wish me. One love keep us together. Bye from now. Choose.